Welcome to the review and unboxing of the Sleepers playing card deck. This deck is designed by Orban Jones and Daniel Madison. You might know Daniel Madison from the Madison Rounders cards. I will do a review on them later. If we take a look at the deck, we see on the front side Sleepers playing cards with half sun and moon, with around them stars and two eyes that are closed like they are sleeping. The left side says Daniel Madison presents. The right side says an Orban Jones design. The bottom side has the logo of Illusionist. The back side, which has the back design of the cards. And the top side, which says Sleepers. If we take a look inside of the deck, we can see here on the back flap it has a moon and a sun. This side here on the flap it has the logo of Daniel Madison. And on this side it has the logo of Orban Jones. And if we take a look at the cards, we will get a double backer, a double facer, which on one side has the ace of spades, on the other side the king of diamonds, two jokers, and the rest of the 52 cards of the deck. Each of the pips are custom made, and I think they really look interesting. They are simple but still recognizable. So we have the ace of spades, looks like a cherry, I think, through king, and each of the face cards has a text written on it. The queen of spades, king of spades. Then we come to the clubs. The clubs are simply these three dots, but still recognizable. So we have ace through king, once you come to more or a higher number, you will see the design becomes a bit difficult to read, but you can still look at the number in the corner. Then we have the jack of clubs, queen of clubs, king of clubs. Then we get to the hearts, which is an upside down cherry through king, the jack of hearts, queen of hearts, king of hearts, and then we've come to the spades. The spades are also very recognizable. Ace through king again, the jack of diamonds, the Queen of Diamonds, and the King of Diamonds. What I like about this deck is that each face card has something written on it, like the Jack of Clubs, and all hearts were chilled into a selfish prayer for light. Or my favorite, only in his death can a king live forever. You also can see on the bottom here initial of the person that wrote these quotes. Like this one is made by Daniel Madison, and this one by Orban Jones. What I do not like about this deck is that some people find this deck really odd. They don't like it because they can't really understand it. If they look at the cards, they think, what is this? And they just want to see a normal standard size pip. But that is not really the fault of the designers. They can't do anything about it. But it's just personal for everybody. But I like it. It also has a great feeling in the hand. Great for magic tricks, flourishes. I wouldn't really use it for playing cards. I think these cards are too good for that. And I also think that these cards are also good for cardistry. This was my review and the unboxing of the Sleepers playing cards. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.